There's my truck. This one. There's my truck. That's pretty. I'm at Theodore Robbins Ford in Costa Mesa, California, and I'm looking at my beautiful, beautiful truck. Oh, this truck's gorgeous. It's amazing. Fantastic truck. Doing the walkthrough, making sure everything's good with the electronics, all the molding's good, no dents, scratches. Unfortunately, I did find a decent sized scratch on the inside in the back seat area, so I notified the dealership and we filed out some paperwork, and they will let me know next week of a time to come in to have that part replaced. I'll bring it in. They'll take a couple hours, take some pieces of the molding out, replace it free of charge to me. So that's great. Very happy with it. Very, very nice looking truck. It's the F350 Lariat. Very expensive, but it is a wonderful truck. This is the heads-up display. There's going to be a lot more about that later. Everything looks great. There's going to be 360 cameras, which I really, really needed on this truck. The little step back here with the handle that comes out. It's going to be very handy getting in and out of the truck all the time for getting stuff out for welding. So I'm very happy about that. It all looks fantastic. And I'm going to show the off-road, all-terrain rock crawl mode. It has where it shows the pitch and angle, all that good stuff. So it's really cool. And then the running boards. The running boards are fantastic because I ordered it with the running boards that go up into the truck. So they are powered running boards. Anytime you get in or out of the truck, the running boards do come out. So everything's great. Everything's looking fantastic. Be signing the paperwork soon. Have an entire video just about that. Hope you're all enjoying this step-by-step process, everything going on. I'm having a blast doing this. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll be seeing y'all in the next video.